Everything we know about the beginning of time is officially wrong. For 100 years, humanity lived under a comfortable lie. We thought we understood how the universe began. We had the math, we had the models, we had the timeline. But on a cold morning, NASA's James Webb Telescope stared into the ultimate void, 13.5 billion years into the past. It wasn't looking for stars, it was looking for the dawn of time. But instead of a beginning, it found a monster, a structure so massive, so impossibly mature, that it has effectively set fire to every physics textbook on Earth. This isn't just a discovery, it's a funeral for our understanding of reality. Meet JWST 1. To the untrained eye, it's a beautiful cluster of galaxies. To an astrophysicist, it is a nightmare. According to the standard model of cosmology, the early universe was a chaotic soup of hydrogen and helium. It was supposed to take billions of years for gravity to huddle matter together into galaxies, and even longer to form clusters. JWST 1 didn't wait. It exists just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. Finding this cluster today is like walking into a nursery and finding a newborn baby that is 6 feet tall, speaks 4 languages, and is already aging into a man. It is a mature galaxy cluster found in a primitive era. According to our laws of physics, this object should not exist. It is a cosmic glitch that the universe forgot to hide. Let's talk numbers. JWST 1 is roughly 20 trillion times the mass of our Sun. Let that sink in. 20 trillion. It formed at a speed that defies the speed of gravity itself. To reach this size so early, it would have had to consume matter at a rate that breaks the Eddington limit, the fundamental speed limit of how fast a cosmic object can grow without blowing itself apart. But JWST 1 didn't blow apart. It grew, it thrived, and it did it in the dark. NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory confirmed the data. The heat coming off this thing is millions of degrees. It's a primordial furnace burning at the very edge of the observable horizon, mocking our math. But here's the part NASA is whispering about in closed rooms. JWST 1 didn't build itself. To grow this fast, something invisible had to be pulling the strings. We call it dark matter, but we've been wrong about that too. We used to think dark matter was a passive, cold glue holding things together. JWST 1 suggests something much more aggressive. It suggests that dark matter is an engine of chaos, a hyperactive architect that was building entire super cities of galaxies before the first stars even had a chance to ignite. There is an unseen force in our universe that is much more powerful and much faster than we ever dare to imagine. We are seeing the fingerprints of a ghost. If JWST 1 exists, our timeline of the Big Bang is a lie. We have two choices. Either gravity works completely differently than we thought, or the universe is much, much older than 13.8 billion years. Imagine if we discovered that human history didn't start 10,000 years ago, but 10 million years ago. That is the scale of the crisis we are facing. We aren't living in a stable, predictable universe. We are living in a wild, accelerating, and rule-breaking reality that is actively evolving beyond our ability to track it. Everything we thought was settled science is now a question mark. NASA is still analyzing the data. The JWST team is still searching for answers, but the monster at the edge of time isn't going away. It's staring back at us, waiting for us to catch up. Is the universe older than we think? Or is there something else out there building these impossible structures? Tell us your theory in the comments. Are we living in a cosmic illusion? Subscribe to NASA Community News. The truth is coming, and it's bigger than we ever imagined.